Hey, hi, Happy New Year to everybody. And how are you guys? I hope that you had a great resolution this year. When I say you had a great resolution, it means you have had a lot of resolutions for this year that you planned out in the beginning of the year. When I say resolution, that means the things that you have planned out to achieve in this year of 2023 and you will work towards them. It is not that we are only planning something and we are not working towards it. I hope I am clear with that. And that's so on me. For me also, I have certain resolutions for this year and I am working towards it. So today, in continuous to my previous segment of grammar, I have already spoken about present tense, all its sentences, past tense, and all its sentences. And today I will talk about future tense. When I say I will, that means in the future. And that's what future is. Future means the things which will happen in the coming time. That may be in the near future, it means very soon, but that may be a very later in the time or very later in the life. That is called future or future tense. For example, I will come back to Delhi. I will come back to Delhi. What does that mean? That means मैं दिल्ली वापस आऊँगा. कब आऊँगा बिल्कुल पता नहीं अभी, लेकिन आऊँगा ये भविष्य की बात है. And when we talk about भविष्य, it means future. That means कि वो जो समय है ना, वो आने वाला है, बहुत अभी जल्द में आने वाला है या बहुत देर में आने वाला है. Isn't it? And that's what future is. So anything when you have to talk for the coming time, that's where you will use future tense. Correct? And just like all other sentences and all other tenses I have taught you guys, future tense is also pretty simple. You just need to concentrate and give some time towards learning. That's it. And once your tenses are strong, once you have complete knowledge about it as how to speak and how to frame the sentences, nothing is gonna be difficult. All right. So talking about the, as we already know that we used to have four tenses in every main tense. For example, we had present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense. Likewise, we had in the past tense we had past indefinite, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Likewise, in future also we have future indefinite, future continuous tense, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tense. And I'm sure that if you guys have watched my videos on present tense and past tense, the future tense is going to be a piece of cake for you. Very sure about it. I'm confident about it. So let's begin with the future indefinite tense. Again, in this tense, we have four sentences. And what are they? They are affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and interrogative sentence. So, सकारात्मक वाक्य, नकारात्मक वाक्य, प्रश्नसूचक वाक्य, प्रश्नसूचक नकारात्मक वाक्य. एक एग्जाम्पल, like let's pick up one example only. The way example, I will come back I will come back to Delhi. मतलब दिल्ली वापस आऊँगा. ये क्या है? अफर्मेटिव, मतलब सकारात्मक बातें हो रही हैं कि मैं दिल्ली वापस आऊँगा. आई विल, या मैं दिल्ली आऊँगा. आई विल कम बैक टू दिल्ली अगेन, या आई विल कम बैक टू दिल्ली. व्हेन आई से आई विल कम बैक टू दिल्ली, अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. अब इसको अगर नकारात्मक बनाना है, इट मीन्स अगर नेगेटिव बनाना है तो आई विल कम बैक, आई विल नॉट कम बैक टू दिल्ली. आई विल नॉट कम बैक टू दिल्ली मतलब मैं दिल्ली वापस या दिल्ली नहीं आऊँगा. अगर मुझे इसको इंट्रोगेटिव बनाना है, इट मीन्स अगर इसमें मुझे प्रश्न पूछना है या वाक्य में अगर प्रश्न सूचक शब्द हैं, क्या मैं दिल्ली आऊँगा, विल आई कम टू दिल्ली. और अगर प्रश्न सूचक भी हो और नकारात्मक भी हो, अर्थात प्रश्न सूचक नकारात्मक वाक्य, इंट्रोगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. सो क्या मैं दिल्ली नहीं आऊँगा, विल आई नॉट कम टू दिल्ली. So this is present indefinite tense. Let me quickly tell you. I've been using will along with I. Ideally, as per the rules, we shall used shall with I and we. But in the modern English, the usage of shall has been disappeared. So anytime, anywhere, you can use only will as the helping verb. That's perfectly fine, and this is what we have been using in the modern English. Clear? You may check it out. Alright, so let us pick up some other examples. You will call me. You will call me. आप मुझे कॉल करोगे या आप मुझे फ़ोन करोगे. इफ़ आई हैव टू से दिस इन नेगेटिव, आप मुझे फ़ोन नहीं करोगे, यू विल नॉट कॉल मी. एंड इफ आई हैव टू से, क्या आप मुझे फ़ोन करोगे, विल यू कॉल मी. और अगर मुझे इसको प्रश्न सूचक और नकारात्मक वाक्य बनाना है, अर्थात इंट्रोगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाना है, तो क्या आप मुझे कॉल नहीं करोगे, विल यू नॉट कॉल मी. गॉट इट? So let's pick up some more examples, because the more you will practice, the proficient you will become. So I will go to office. I will go to office अर्थात मैं कार्यालय जाऊंगा. अब मुझे बोला मैं कार्यालय नहीं जाऊंगा, I will not go to office. क्या मैं कार्यालय जाऊंगा, अर्थात इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, प्रश्न सूचक वाक्य, क्या मैं कार्यालय जाऊंगा, विल आई गो टू ऑफिस. और प्रश्न सूचक नकारात्मक बनाना है तो विल आई नॉट गो टू दिल्ली, क्या मैं दिल्ली नहीं जाऊंगा. गॉट इट? सो विल आई नॉट गो टू दिल्ली. लेट अस पिक अप सम मोर एग्जांपल्स. आई विल टीच यू. आई विल टीच यू, मैं तुम्हें पढ़ाऊंगा. मैं तुम्हें नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा, आई विल नॉट टीच यू. क्या मैं तुम्हें पढ़ाऊंगा, क्या मैं तुम्हें पढ़ाऊंगा, विल आई टीच यू. क्या मैं तुम्हें नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा, विल आई नॉट टीच यू. और एग्जाम्पल्स, क्या आप मेरी आज्ञा मानोगे, विल यू ओबे माई obedi, like will you obey me. So will you not obey me. Or so you will obey me, you will not obey me, will you obey me, and will you not obey me. Or you can say, will you obey my decisions, will you not obey my decisions. You will obey my decisions and you will not obey my decisions, and so on. You can really get it mixed, don't worry about it, depending upon as to how you have to present yourself, with whom are you talking, and what is something that you're trying to convey to the audience. your sentence structure should be according to that only. It means, let me again tell you a quick thing about, so the rules will be, sorry, I did not mention the rules in the beginning or the structure in the beginning. For present tense, for future indefinite tense, it would be subject plus shall I will. You may use only will. So subject plus shall I will plus first form of the verb plus object plus other words. For affirmative. For negative, subject plus shall I will plus not plus first form of the verb plus object plus other words. For interrogative sentence, shall I will plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object plus other words. For interrogative and negative, shall I will plus subject plus not plus first form of the verb plus object plus other words. Alright, I hope this is clear to all of you. So, I request you, if you have not been picking up live examples from your daily life, you are making a mistake. अपने दैनिक दिनचर्या से कुछ उदाहरण उठाओ. उठाने का मतलब you don't have to pull it, right? You just need to pick up some examples. मतलब जो भी चीज़ें आप करते हो, whatever that you do, वहाँ से कुछ examples आप पिक करो, उनको इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश करो according to the rules I have told you guys, according to the structures I have shared with you, और उनको आप अपनी दैनिक जीवन में उनका उपयोग करो. जितना उपयोग करोगे, जितना ज़्यादा उपयोग करोगे, जितना अपने माइंड को अटेंटिव रखोगे कि आपको इन चीज़ों को सीखना है, द थिंग्स विल बी इन योर फेवर. आप जल्दी सीख जाओगे. सो टालने की आदत छोड़ो. लीव द हैबिट ऑफ प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन एंड वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट. I hope that this year going to be a great success for all of you, and as many as of you been watching this video, all of you are going to speak with me very fluently, very efficiently, very effectively, and very confidently. Do you pledge that? Please pledge if you have not taken a pledge of it. All right, so in the last, if you have not shared my videos with your friend circle, and especially the one who are learning, who are there in the education, who are there in the work, this very video will be very helpful for those people. So if you have not shared this video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please ask everybody to subscribe who are a student or who are the working professionals. Thank you everybody, and have a great time ahead.